Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to color grade and make your photos pop using the brand new Nano Banana tool inside Google Gemini. It's super easy, totally free, and will give your photo that cinematic height and look in seconds. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account, and then after you log in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana, the Google latest AI tool that will let you edit or enhance photo instantly using just a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. It could be a portrait, landscape, or any image that you want to make more vibrant. Just tap on plus button to upload your image like this, and then just type a simple prompt to enhance the photo. Like for example, you can type like this. For example like this, just feel free to describe your prompt as you like. Next, if you're done with your prompt, just tap on generate. In just a few seconds, you will see your photo with beautifully color graded. Looks more the colors looks richer and the lighting more dynamic, and the vibe feels more professional. Next, if you unsatisfied with the result or wanna edit more, you can tweak your prompt by retyping your prompt. For example, you can type a prompt like this. Like this. The result, it looks good, it looks more beautiful. So if you satisfied with the result, you can save your photo. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can easily color grade and make your photo pops using Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.